Hey fellow bakers, it's Paula here from Crumble. I'm just having a little sip of espresso and I'm enjoying some of the fruits of my labor, which is our December box, the chai latte biscottis. And I'm going to answer a question that a lot of people have been asking lately. Given that it's the holiday season, everybody would like to know, what am I baking for the holidays? Well, one of my favorite things to bake is, of course, cookies. I always take the time in the holidays to bake a lot of different types of cookies, and I share those with friends and family. I think it makes a perfect gift. So this year, that is why one of the things we did is we are offering a holiday cookie bundle baking kit. And this particular baking kit has 3 of my favorite recipes. There is the Anna sugar cookies, which of course scream the holidays because they have a beautiful decoration that looks like a holiday wreath. The other one is our guava and coconut thumbprint cookies, a really easy bake with a punch of tropical flavor. And of course, the final one is a very popular box. It's the Black Forest crinkle cookies. Those are decadent, delicious chocolate loveliness. And everybody who has them loves the flavor of the cherries with the dark cocoa, a chocolate lover's dream. 3 cookies in one bundle. So come bake with me this holiday season.